Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making 7 no-peel hard-boiled eggs in our Instant Pot. So let's get started. To make our hard-boiled eggs, we're going to use our egg bite mold that came with our Instant Pot accessory kit. It also comes with a lid, a silicone lid you can use inside your pot. I'll put a link in the description for that. Okay, we're going to need some oil in each one of these little cups. We'll put some in there. I'm going to spread that around. You make sure you have enough oil in there, coat it good. Okay, now we're going to crack some eggs. Okay, we have our 7 eggs in our egg bite mold here, and we're going to make these into like hard boil style eggs in our Instant Pot. And you can also make no peel soft boiled eggs in your Instant Pot this way with this egg bite mold. And you can have the yolks as runny as you want or as firm as you want just by adjusting the natural pressure release at the end. So now let's set our pot up and get started. Okay, let's open our Instant Pot here, and we're going to add half a cup of water, 4 ounces, put it right in there. Now we're going to take our egg bite mold that we put on our trivet with our 7 eggs, and we're going to put them right in there just like that. Now we're going to cover that up with our lid. Now all we have to do is set our pot. Now we're going to set our pot to pressure cook. And we're going to go 3 minutes on high and hit start. And I'll bring you back when it's done preheating. Okay, the Instant Pot's done preheating. We have 3 minutes on the clock. And then after that's done, we're going to do a natural pressure release of 4 minutes. Then we'll do a quick release. Okay, our Instant Pot's done cooking. It's 3 minutes is up. Now we're going to do our natural pressure release of 4. So when we see 4 minutes on this clock, we'll do a quick release. And I'll bring you back when that's just about done. Okay, our 4 minutes is up on our natural pressure release time. Now we're going to do a quick release. Okay, let's do a quick release. Okay, the pin dropped, so let's see how they are in there. Okay. They're nice. Can you see? You can't see anything, can you? Beautiful. We'll look at our no peel hard boiled eggs here. They're beautiful. Okay, let's take a look at our no peel hard boiled eggs. Boy, they look good, don't they? Okay, let's get them off the trivet here. But we're going to put our plate right on top of there, and we're just going to flip them right over. Just like that. Give them a little squeeze each one, and out they should come. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, look at that. Can you see them? Beautiful. No peel, hard boiled eggs. Let's just see how good the yolk is inside. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how creamy that is. Can you see it? That's beautifully creamy in there. Now you just add a little bit of salt. and a little bit of pepper. And you can put them on some toast, or you could make potato salad out of them. You can do whatever you want. It'll be real creamy, and they're really nice and tasty. Well, there you have it, guys. 7 hard-boiled eggs with creamy yolks in your Instant Pot on 3 minutes on high with a 4-minute natural pressure release. Beautiful. Yeah, you know what would go good with that right there? Yep, you guessed it. A nice hot cup of coffee and some toast. That sounds good.